time for the April Dollar Tree haul. So let me show you what I got. It's not a big haul this time. I only got a couple things. So I got 2 of these bowls. They're kind of big, pretty good size, and they have some decoration around here, so they're kind of pretty. I like them. So I got 2 of those. And I got some dish detergent, Ajax. This is lemon scented. It smells good. I like lemon. Has a nice clean smell. And it's brand name Ajax. And this one is a 16 ounce. This one was bigger than some of the other brand names that they had. So I got that. And I haven't used this. It's called the Works. I've used the toilet bowl cleaner, but I haven't used the shower and tub cleaner. So it says it works on contact. It has this flip top here, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it in this or if I'm going to transfer it to a spray bottle. I'm not sure yet with that, but we'll see how well this works. It says that it removes soap scum, rust, and hard water stains. So if it, hopefully that's true. So we'll find out if this works. Okay. And I got a spray bottle because I need a new one. I don't know if I'm going to put this in it and get the top from another bottle. My work window cleaner and the sprayer is starting to go, so I don't know if I'm just going to replace this or what I'm going to do. I might end up putting the Works in here. I'm not sure yet. And I got this little, it's a baking pan. It's a smaller loaf pan. I've gotten a lot of baking pans from the Dollar Tree, and I think they work pretty good. As long as you take care of them, they seem to last. I haven't had trouble with rusting or anything like that, but I just make sure that, I clean them and make sure that they get dried right away so that they don't rust. So I've had pretty good luck with these. And I'm going to make a little meatloaf tonight for dinner. That's why I got this. And I got a pair of reusable gloves. They have medium, but they had large too. They're supposed to have a textured grip, and they're made, these are latex, so if you have a latex allergy, that's not good. But there's one pair, excuse me, and it's just because I need these for work and I go through gloves. I got 2 different kinds of hangers. So this comes in a pack of 3. These are just plastic hangers. And the last time I got their bigger pack, they had one that had, I think, 8 in it. And they had some other little, like, grooves and things for straps and whatnot. But I really didn't find that the pack with the 8 hangers in them were very durable. These are more basic hangers, but I'm hoping that they're more durable since there's only 3 of them. And then this is a 2-pack of hangers, and they have the metal hook up here, and then this is kind of felted. So I'm gonna see about these as well. But I think these are pretty good. I've noticed a lot of my customers have these, so I think these work pretty good. And I got a can of peanuts. This is 7 ounces. I think that's a pretty good deal for $1. They're roasted and salted, and it says Star Snacks. See that, Star Snacks? So they're just peanuts, plain old peanuts. And I got, this is for dinner. This is Hungry Jack cheesy scalloped potatoes. So with our meatloaf, we're gonna have some scalloped potatoes and probably some green beans, I'm thinking. I don't know if I have those or not, I gotta look, but that's what I'm hoping we're having. So yeah, green beans, and it is a Hungry Jack, so it's a brand name, and it's a family size with 6 servings, so that's something I can just throw in the oven. And the last thing I got, just a Coke and a Sprite. Now these were $1 because they're from Dollar Tree, but they're only 16 ounces. They're not as large as the 22 ounce that you see for like $1.60 in some of the convenience stores, but it's still $1. I think it was a pretty good deal. So I got one for each of us. And that, my friends, is my complete Dollar Tree haul for this month. I really didn't need a lot, so it was short and sweet. If you like my Dollar Tree hauls or any of my other videos, please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I always respond and I love to hear what people have to say. Thanks, you guys. Bye.